All right, imagine this. Every time you hit play on a song, you're stacking cash. Sounds too good to be true? Well, buckle up, because I'm about to show you how you can earn $1.40 for every song you listen, and $14 for every 10 songs you listen to, and $70 for every 50 songs. Yep, you heard that right. And that's just the beginning. Stay with me, because I've got a surprise for you at the end that'll take your earnings to the next level. Hey, it's Jam here from Digital Hustlers Club, and I've tested this out myself. I've already made over $500 online just by jamming to some tunes. And today, I'm spilling all the secrets so you can do the same. I've done the heavy lifting, tested out different sites and apps, so you don't have to waste your time. You ready to dive in? The first website I came across is ShrinkMe. Now, ShrinkMe is a URL shortening site, but here's the cool part. You get paid every time someone clicks on your shortened link. Think about that. You can literally make money just by sharing links to your favorite songs. All you need to do is find a song you like on YouTube, copy the link, and head over to ShrinkMe. Register, paste that link, and boom, it's shortened. Share it, and every click puts money in your pocket. Oh, and if you're wondering if this actually works, take a look at their payment proofs. People are cashing out $50, $36, even $86 just for sharing links. But let's talk about something even cooler. Playlist Push. This platform will pay you up to $15 for every song you listen to and review. Imagine listening to just 10 songs and walking away with $150. I've used this myself, and trust me, the payout is real. As soon as you review the songs, you can instantly request your payment. They've even got a 4.4-star rating on Trustpilot, so you know it's legit. Next up, we've got CashStar. This one is also a super easy way to make money by listening to music on platforms like Spotify and YouTube. You can make $5 to $10 for each track. Now, there's a waiting list, but don't worry. Sign up with your email, and once you're in, the money will start rolling in. Now, here's where things get really interesting. You can make money with Up Forever by simply uploading files. Music files you download from royalty-free sites like Pixabay. Every time someone downloads a file from your link, you get paid. It's that simple. People are earning $3, $4, even $40 by doing this from anywhere in the world. So, what do you think? If you want me to dive deeper and create a detailed step-by-step guide on any of these methods, just let me know in the comments. I'm here to help you maximize your hustle. Okay, so I promised you a surprise, right? If you're loving this, I've got another video that shows you how I made $28 a day just by watching ads. Yup, it's possible, and you can check it out right now. It's somewhere on the screen. Click it, follow the steps, and get that money flowing. Thanks for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more tips on maximizing your online earnings. See you in the next one. Happy earning.